Hello, it's Karen coming to you with another live unboxing. Okay, so I'm actually videotaping this so that I can post it to YouTube and share a few times just to make sure everybody gets to see this, and for a few people that might want to share it so they can see what's coming in our Hello Happy boxes or bags. I guess they're bags. We are a bag company after all. So Hello Happy this is our second month, so this is a brand new program that 31 offers, and you can get these bags through your consultant or through me, Organizing Envy, Karen Funnel. This is our new fall catalog. If you don't have a copy of this, let me know and I can send you a digital one, or I can send you a free hard copy one, Canadian, okay? So we've started this subscription bag thing, and now every month you are going to get exclusive prints and products. Sometimes they're going to be old products in new prints that are just coming back because they're so popular. Sometimes they're going to be brand new things that not even I've ever seen before. And I have a feeling that's kind of what I've got right here. So every month I order 2 of these. Do you know why? Because if you shop with me during the month, anybody that shops with me or orders the next month's Hello Happy bag gets put in a draw to win one for free. That's right. I love giveaways. I love participating in giveaways. I love doing giveaways for you guys. So that's what I'm doing every month. So at the end of this month in September, I'll be giving away the one that we were able to order in August. Okay, so anybody that orders in the month of October will get to win this month's Hello Happy for free. So let's have a look, a little live unboxing here. It comes in this little package here. This is our bag. You can see this is I've never seen this print before. It looks really nice, actually. Pretty fun. Let's see what it is. So here's our card. This says, start each month with a heaping happy. Discover something amazing with every delivery, and let each surprise encourage you to let your inner light shine. After all, it's what's inside that counts. And this is an abundance of happiness. That is the theme, abundance of happiness. Okay, so there's the little card. All right, abundance of happiness. Yeah, I know it's backwards. Okay, so let's take this out. Okay, you see I have my free one right here. Okay. So it looks like, oh look, you've even got a little thing here so you can attach a little key fob or a brand new photo keychain, so that would be really cute. Let's see exactly what this is. Okay. All right, there's stuff inside. So let's take a look. Oh, there goes the silica pack. All right, this one's all wrapped. Ooh, this one's sparkly. Who loves sparkles? Yeah. Ooh, pretty. Pretty, pretty. Put that over there. Look at this. Look at the little chain. Yeah, it's a little coin purse. Like one of those pop ones. Oh, I love that. So nobody needs to see those. But how cute is this, right? So I guess if I put my hand up behind it, you can kind of see how big it is. It's like the size of my hand, my palm, just a little bit bigger than that. So you have a little clip here, so you can clip this to the inside. A lot of our 31 bags have little hooks on the inside or outside, so you can put things like that in there and you're not losing them. Easy to detach. And oh, we've got a couple of nail files. Who doesn't need a nail file? It's the most, of course, there's a plane flying by. I'm at an airport down the street. Did you hear that? It's really loud. It's really annoying. I might have to cut that out. Or maybe not. Okay, go away, plane. Okay, we're gonna open this up. We've got a couple of nail files. Okay, there's 2 little, there we go. Maybe I should do that. There's 2 little patterns there. So it's like the worst thing in the world when you're out, and whether you're a boy or a girl, and all of a sudden you like get a little hangnail or your nail like chips or something and it's catching and everything. You should always carry nail file. Like, look, I don't even have fingernails. I don't like them. I don't like fingernails, I don't like nail polish, but I still always carry a nail file around because you never know. So, and this looks like a little makeup bag. Lots of room actually, okay. So I'll pop the bottom open there. You can see it's kind of shiny. Ooh, kind of shiny on the inside there. So that's that PVC plastic lining, so you can put everything in there and nothing's, the inside of the bag is not going to get gunky. What a great Hello Happy. So you've got garbage. You've got your Hello Happy little, I don't even know what this is called, so we'll just call it makeup bag. I don't know, a little cool makeup bag. Great for traveling, great for just throwing in your purse when you need your essentials. Maybe you gotta freshen up after work. This is kind of perfect. A couple of nail files, maybe one for you and one to give away to a friend. And this really cute sparkly change purse with the lobster claw hook on it, right? This is great. I am so happy. I guess that's why they call it Hello Happy. So don't forget, if you want to win one of these for free, absolutely free, I need you to let me know what I can add to your cart to make you happy. Okay, maybe it's a new Hello Happy bag, maybe it's this Hello Happy bag and you want to win this one for a friend. If you order this month, you can get this Hello Happy bag and you'll be in the draw to win last month's Hello Happy bag. So thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to visit organizingenvy.ca to see everything we've got new with 31, and there's a lot because I just got a big delivery yesterday. And visit my VIP page or my business page, which is Organizing Envy on Facebook. And I will talk to you guys next month with the next live unboxing of Hello Happy. Bye.